Hello, I'm Dan. I'm a developer here at the Data City, and in this video I'm going to talk about our new Smart Lists feature. The Smart Lists are the new name for the old ML lists. We've completely redone the UI to make your list faster to build and more easy to use. You can easily access the Smart Lists feature by clicking the link in the navbar here, at which point you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. And within this list are all your old ML lists, so you can jump right back in and continue working on them. You can rename them, share them, copy them, etc. You can also access list collections. Collections are the new names for the old folders, which allow you to group similar lists into specific groups. And in this demonstration, I'm going to create an entirely new Smart List by pressing this button here, and I'll be taken to this screen where I can give my list a name. I'm going to look at biomanufacturing. In this case, I can give the list any notes if I want to, and when I'm happy, just press the next button. The next stage involves creating a training set, and it's a training set that will be used to classify all other companies to produce your final list. And there are three main ways that I can find companies to add to the training set. If I know specific companies that match that sector, I can search for them by name or company number here. I can search by website keywords, but a powerful tool that's really great for getting your list started is the smart search functionality. And I'm just going to paste in an excerpt of text that describes manufacturing and press search. And behind the scenes, our systems will find companies that match those terms that you've used in the search. And once the results appear, I can begin to work my way through them and see if there's any that I'd like to add to my positive training set. So these are companies that are representative of the sector that you're interested in getting results for. So I'm just going to pick a few here. I need a minimum of 5 positives to get my list started. But even more useful, I can begin at this very first instance to add negative training set companies. So these are companies that are unlike the sector that I'm interested in looking for. And I'm just going to do a keyword search. It can be any companies, for barbers, for example. I'll add these to my negative training set, so I can quickly get into good results from a single search. And the ability to add negative companies at this initial stage should make the list building process much faster than our previous ML lists. And I can scroll down and look at the training set. And once I'm happy, hit the build list button. And what's happening here is every company with a website is being analyzed against that training set and ranked in order of likeness to the training set. We have added a new stage to the list building process where we suggest companies that might be good to add to your negative training set. So I can look at their website and see if I want to add them to my negative training set, at which stage the list is automatically rebuilt in the background. I can keep going through and adding companies to the negative training set, but I'm just going to hit the cross here to look at the results. And you can see that we've completely redone our list UI. So you can see a lot more companies on a single screen, which should make the process of iterating on a list much faster. So I quickly scroll down, look at websites, look at company profiles, and then decide whether I want to keep adding companies to my positive training set or any that don't match what I'm looking for to the negative training set. Or I can hit the options button here and do things like copy the company number, manually exclude the company from the results, or suggest website mismatches. If I want to see more information, we've got an easy toggle here to switch between compact view and the more detailed view, which shows details like SIC codes and R6. You can see each company is ranked by score in this case, but if I want to rank by another field, I can press this button here and rank it by properties such as turnover, employee count, or incorporation date. We've added new bulk action controls, which allows me to quickly scroll down a list and If I want to add many companies to the positive training set, I can just highlight any that I'm interested in, go back to the top and press the button here. And then once I'm happy, I can press the update list button and the list will begin to rebuild with the additions to the training set. We hope with these new updates you will find list building much more user-friendly and faster to get to the results that you want. If you're in touch with us, thank you for listening.